chocolate steak or alternative KitKat. One of the best chocolate steak you can make. Everybody will be happy and so easy. Plus, you have the taste of chocolate and the crunchy of the biscuit. Let's do it. In 5 minutes, you will have the most beautiful chocolate steak or KitKat alternative. Beautiful taste and so easy. Let's go. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis, pastry champion of Africa, and this is my job. You will find a lot of chocolate cake, French pastry, cake design, sugar dough, everything you need it, you will find in this channel. Very easy recipe, 4 ingredients, 2 eggs. Then we added 60 grams of sugar, normal sugar. And then we whisk until the sugar is dissolved. 250 grams of flour, 8 grams of baking powder, and that's it. This is the art of the biscuit. So easy recipe. After that, we added 70 grams of melted butter. But you can also use 70 grams of oil. But I prefer butter, it gives more taste to the dough. So we mix all together, sugar, egg, and melted butter. Just for 2 minutes, it will be fluffy and dissolve all the chocolate. And then we added the flour. Combine with baking powder. Stir the dough. It's very close to the sablé dough. So easy recipe as you see. You just combine everything together and then you use your hand to feel the dough, to feel the consistency. Just need the dough to absorb all the flour. You can see. Then we can knead it in the table. You don't need to knead too much, just to collect the dough as you see. There is no flour appear, that means the dough dissolve all the flour. I take it, I cover it in plastic, I keep in the fridge for 2 hours minimum. Then you have resting dough, very cold, so it's easy to shape the steaks. After 2 hours in the fridge, you can add it little sprinkle chocolate. It's alternative, you can add it or not. You can add it also teaspoon of cardamom or teaspoon of cinnamon. You can make your own flavor. Just to take a little piece and start shaping as a steak. You can control which size of steak you want. You can make it thinner, you can make it thicker. It's up to you. There is 2 ways. I just roll like this and then I take measurement and cut all to be the same size. And then I try to shape it round. Or another way, I roll the bar, I keep in one tray, I put in the fridge for maybe half an hour to be strong. And then I can cut when it's strong. Like really cool. As you see, I roll it, I keep in the fridge, then I cut. You can choose which way. One I added with parchment paper and one only in the steak, but I have non-steak trays. It's up to you. You know exactly what you want. 175, it takes from 7 to 9 minutes. So it's very important to reheat the oven 10 minutes before you use. Here we go, 20 grams of nuts. You can use almond, you can use hazelnut, peanut, or plain, whatever you want. For 20 gram nuts, 200 gram tempering chocolate. You can see when you chopped nice, it's much better. Here, after exactly 9 minutes, you have very beautiful golden steak, and you have let cool down, and then you can cover. Here the chocolate, you can use white chocolate, dark chocolate, milk chocolate. 200 gram for 20 gram nuts. And you can add 1 spoon of oil, vegetable oil or sesame oil or hazelnut oil. Then you can put in the grill and cover all the steak. And now you have very beautiful steak. You can make it with white chocolate, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, whatever your flavor you want. If you like this video, please share with your friend. Let us know in the comment what you expect to do next video. I'm waiting all your comment, guys. Also, every Monday and Saturday I go to Instagram. I answer live video to all your questions, so please connect to my Instagram. See you in next video.